Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable GZIP compression in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So we are going to install a plugin. Hover over on plugins and then click on add new, and now search here W3 total cache and install this plugin. Activate, and after that click on performance and then click on general settings, and now click on skip and then click on enable. Save all settings, and after that click on browser cache and here you'll find this option, enable http GZIP compression. Make sure to enable this and then click on save all settings. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.